Ultimately, I think that is one thing that everybody craves. To be free in mind, in terms of thinking.
Just the sense of trust, the faith and the belief that I think all of us have in young people. I think just the fact that they are these amazing guys and they can do whatever that they want with it.
मैं आज किसी संस्था के साथ जुड़ के काम करूं या संस्था चला कर काम करूं, पर स्माइल ने जो कॉन्फिडेंस दिया, जो नई सोच दी, जो एक सब ये कि किसी भी डिसीज़न पे पहुंचने के पहले यू नीड टू इन्फॉर्म योरसेल्फ, जो सवाल करने का एक जज्बा दिया.
How many roads must a man walk down before he can call him a man? Isn't how many seas must a white dove sail before she leaves in the sand? Isn't how many times must a cannonball fly before the for a band? The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind. Isn't how
That I came back, it was into a discussion about Narmada. There was a film which was shown on the NBA, and I come from a background where my dad belongs to the Gujarat cadre civil service, and I've been brought up on these notions of how the dam is really brilliant for Kutch, and there'll be so much water, and I go into this thing which is saying completely the opposite story, and I'm like, what are you saying? This is all propaganda, there's so much water coming and you don't know the reality. And I remember that for the first time I wasn't shut up. Like, nobody in this NGO actually told me, you're saying crap, that you have to be pro-NBA. They said, sure, you make a great point. Do you have something which can tell that side of the story? And I said, sure, I'll get you a documentary and I'll show you what it's about. And I think that stayed with me. ये एक song है जो I think completely hope से भरा हुआ song है. And I remember the first time when I heard it was actually Induji singing this in the middle of the road at 3 in the morning when a whole bunch of us were out volunteering in our first night out. And I think तब से ये गाना हमेशा मेरे लिए has been a symbol of all the friends that I've made during this entire journey with Prava.
उर्मुल गया. दूसरे दिन मुझे वापस 6 बस के साथ प्रोटेस्ट के लिए आना पड़ा. संजय घोष जो उर्मुल के फाउंडर थे, उनको उल्फा ने एब्डक्ट कर लिया था. संजय राजस्थान में अपने काम को कम्युनिटी को सौंप कर वो वापस माजुली चले गए थे. वो असम में काम कर रहे थे. और मैं उनके काम से, मैं संजय से कभी नहीं मिला, मैं उनके काम से काफ़ी प्रभावित हुआ. तो वो एक बहुत, वो ज़िंदगी में एक क्लाइमेक्स होती है ना, वो लम्हा था. मैं प्रवाह में आता जाता रहता था, तो प्रवाह के वर्कशॉप जामिया में पढ़ना, ये कॉम्बिनेशन ने मेरे अंदर एक अलग तरीके की दिस इज़ वेरी न्यू लर्निंग. It was relearning. I was going through a phase of relearning. समाज ने मुझे क्या बचपन से सिखाया है, क्या वो मेरी अपनी सोच है, या मेरे माँ बाप, मेरे स्कूल ने वो सोच मेरे अंदर डाली है, समाज ने डाली है. हे मोटली नदी को नीचे अमृचे, हे झड़ना जंगल को नीचे अमृचे, हे जंगल जमीन को नीचे अमृचे, हे झाड़ना जंगल कोनी न छे आमरी छे हे रेवा मैया कोनी न छे आमरी छे
I think when I went there, all my notions what I've been brought up as a kid of this is the story of NBA, the dams are great and NBA is wrong and they don't want to negotiate, just completely changed. And it was a huge हिला देने वाला fact for me inside से, क्योंकि this was so personally connected with my family. And I remember that I took those experiences and came back and had so many long debates with my father. And it's quite incredible because today, when I talk to him about it, he has moved on his stance. It's not just pro-dam anymore. He sees and he brings up those questions, and he's been involved at the state level in these conversations around saying, well, everything about the dam is not necessarily good and the rehabilitation piece has to be taken care of. So there was like this huge, turnaround that happened, impacting also family.
I think the best thing was that I took that exposure trip and went to Rajasthan, this place called Tilonia. And guitar was there with me because musician to main hamesha se tha. And I took the guitar and I started working with the communication resource team, puppeteer logon ke saath mein.
When I came back, it was like, puppets for me, and I found my passion. And it's very important for a person to find their passion. It can come through various activities or just one small little trip, something that you loved. And once you find that, then it changes and redesigns all the little factors around you. This happened in my band, which is my immediate circle. My friends, we all decided to go to a school and spend time with kids over there, and later on making it a small little festival where things made by them, they are displayed. So I picked up things from, say, like my exposure and my meetings and my orientation or my street plays in the space that was created with Prava and because of Prava.
ग्रीन पीस में रहते हुए अगर मैं ग्रीन पीस में पूरे ग्रीन पीस इंडिया के प्लानिंग में इन्वॉल्व हूँ, मैं डायरेक्टर्स को एडवाइस करता हूँ प्लानिंग का, लॉन्ग टर्म और ईयरली प्लानिंग, शॉर्ट टर्म प्लानिंग. उस पूरे प्लानिंग में ये सारी चीज़ें माई स्किल्स एंड द वे आई वर्क, it's got lots of influence from where I started my journey with Prava and as a Smile student.
Bigger vision is not about money and how wealthy you are. It's about the knowledge and how you've treated other people, how you've been with them, and what you feel about them.
I think going ahead, my journey is going to be about supporting the whole spaces journey of moving towards that fifth space that we talk about, and I think creating that joyful community both within and without with other young people. I think just working on ourselves, continuing to fine tune and creating more such opportunities for young people as well as all those who work with young people.
तो वो 15 साल की जो यात्रा थी और आज का ये जो गाने का जो 4 घंटे का जो जुड़ाव था, जो इकट्ठा होके हमने किया, वो जो गफ़ार ने कहा, कहीं पे ज़िंदगी पूरी सी नज़र आ रही है.
grassy road.